Hello, very good morning. Welcome to the JS Testing Academy. We are posting some videos regarding the Devops or automation. So today we are going to see another part of video. The last video we saw about the what is Jenkins, what is CI/CD tool, and what is the installation of Jenkins, and how to create a freestyle project in Jenkins. And again, we saw how to schedule a job in Jenkins. Okay, so this video we are going to see how to trigger a right build through Jenkins pipeline. Okay, so how we are going to set a pipeline in Jenkins and how to trigger a build with the help of the Jenkins. So we are going to integrate Maven project with GitHub and also Jenkins and schedule a job in pipeline and see how it goes. Normally a pipeline is running a series of jobs is called as a pipeline. For example, there will be number of shoots in the automation world, right? For example, smoke test shoots, regression test shoots, right? Browser shoots, and then we'll have rest assured shoots. We'll have performance shoots. We'll have mobile automation shoots. So all these things can be set in a pipeline, and it can be triggered sequentially or parallelly based on the need. Okay, a pipeline is nothing but setting up some sequence of jobs and scheduling on a run. This can be integrated with cloud execution also, that you will see in the next videos. We are going to connect with Docker and AWS in the next videos. Kindly watch this series. Okay, now let's go to the hands on. I'll click the new item. Before that, if you see in the last videos, all these plugins should be installed in the previous videos. Maven plugin, pipeline plugin, and then GitHub integration plugin. All these plugins should be installed and configuration should be set up for Maven, Java, and Git. So please watch the previous videos. Okay, let me go and click a pipeline, that is Flipkart pipeline. Okay, then I'll create pipeline. I'll click the pipeline and click OK. So I will give a description first. Flipkart end-to-end execution. Flipkart end-to-end execution. Okay, then I'll scroll down. Okay, I'll go to build triggers and I'll give click build periodically. You can see the last video we told about how to schedule. I'll give 5 star, so it tells that run on the every minute. We can set in hourly basis, 2 hours once, 5 minutes once, right? On a night trigger, like that we can schedule jobs. Please go to the last video for a small better understanding. Okay, now let me go to pipeline. Okay, I need to generate a groovy script. So Jenkins has a default script. We are going to use that script and we are going to enhance the script. Okay, let me click the pipeline script now. Okay, and in try sample pipeline I'll click GitHub plus Maven. So as I told you, we are going to integrate Maven in GitHub. So if I click it, I'll get a default groovy script. So we are going to just play with the script, the default script which is given by Jenkins. I'll go to Notepad. I'll paste it. Okay, so here I need to tell, right, in the pipeline, right, I need to in this I have to give Maven here. So I'm telling which build tool I'm using, that is Maven. Okay, then I'll delete this unwanted steps. Let me create a one script here. Okay, so as I told you, it will have different stages here, right? We need to set stages, right? Build stage, right, what are the stages we want, we can set it here. First there is a build stage. We are telling go to this repository and fetch this repository. Okay, for that I'll click pipeline syntax. I'll go in the sample step, I'll go and click GitHub, Git, right? Let me go 1 minute. Git above. So I need to give the GitHub URL here. So I have this repository Flipkart demo. What I'll do is I'll copy the code, I'll copy the GitHub URL and I'll paste here. So as I told you, there will be different branches. You can see in the previous videos we have put GitHub. In that we created how to create a branch, right? We showed a simple demo of that. Okay, our repository might be public or private. If it is a private, we need to give the credentials, GitHub credentials. If it is a public, no need to give the GitHub credentials. Let me generate a pipeline script. I'll copy the script. Okay, then I'll go and click in steps. Okay, then I'll create, and I'm just telling you go to this repository and fetch the code. Okay, so and next I'll create another stage where I'm just telling the execution part, how to execute. We are going to execute via batch file. You are going to execute as a batch file. First is write tools, what tool, then how you are going to build it, right, where you are going to get the build, and next is your execution where we are just telling where how I am going to execute. And I'm going to execute as a Windows batch file. So I'll create a Groovy script for this one. So within steps, right, I will go and I'll click the right Windows batch script. Then I'll give a generate a code here. Okay, Maven clean test. Okay, then I'll click generate pipeline script. I'll copy it, then I'll paste it. Okay, got it clear. Now right, we generate a Groovy script. Now let me copy. Okay, let me copy the script. Go and paste in the script. So I created one thing: tool, stages, build, and execution. Okay, first tools is right Maven tool, build is like it's from the GitHub repository, and execution is from the batch file. That the command for that is Maven clean test. Okay, let me apply and save it. Okay, I'll click build now. I'll trigger a pipeline now. The pipeline is started executing. You can see the pipeline flow here. See, tool is been installed. Now it's building. It's starting downloading from the GitHub repository. It's connected with GitHub repository. Now it's executing the Windows batch file here. Two pipelines, two is being executed every minute. We schedule, right, that is happening for every minute. The build is been triggered here for every minute. As I told you script, right, we give 5 stars, right, for every minute the build is getting triggered here. Like that we can set. Okay, now let's see. See, one build has been executed. We see Maven clean test. All the repositories been downloaded from the Maven. Now it will start executing the Flipkart test shoot. The test been started. Flipkart runner has been invoked. Okay, there is a Now test been running here. Okay, there is an X path has been changed actually, but the code is right working fine. The build is been triggered, it's been changed. There is a small change in the X path in the line, right? But the trigger pipeline is setting. Okay, pipeline is the setting, and we need to change the X path right in the code. That is what's the issue. But if you see the overall demo, right, the pipeline is triggered for each and every minute. Okay, hope this video is useful to you. Okay, we are going to add next Sona cube and then Docker, and then we are going to slowly move to AWS. Continue to follow, watch this series and support us. If you have any feedback, comment, you can write, contact us. As I told you, we are from JS Testing Academy, Chennai. Slowly we are growing here. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Bye.